Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about the design pattern in Java, understanding the iterator pattern. So you have probably come across and used the iterator pattern in Java quite a lot. In fact, maybe even more than you realize. So if you have ever used collections, which you probably have, it's likely you have used the iterator pattern extensively. This for each loop is commonly used in Java to iterate over a collection of objects, and under the hood is actually using the iterator pattern. So the collection interface implements another interface called iterable, which is what the for each loop is using. So one of the benefits of the iterator pattern that is shown is that it doesn't matter what type of collection in the sentence object is. It could be an array list or a hash set or a linked blocking queue or whatever. So as long as there is something that implements the collection interface, the for each loop works the same on all of them, and it is irrelevant what the underlying structure looks like. So say I have a list or collection or like this of list of countries. For example, I might want to traverse this list and access the items in it in some app that I am making, and there might be different ways that I want to traverse it. For example, I might want to cut out all of the countries in Africa or all the countries within a certain population size and so on, and I could add a lot of methods to the list class to sort through the list in different ways. But I don't want to just add them in all there, because it will turn into one big class with loads of stuff in. So I also don't know yet which kinds of iteration I need. So I might end up including loads of unused code. So this is where the iterator comes in instead. This iterator is a separate object that takes all of the responsibility for moving along the list and accessing the objects inside it, and it is responsible for keeping track of which elements have already been traversed. So to summarize, the iterator pattern provides a way to access the items in a list or collection of some type without exposing the underlying structure. In Java, there are interfaces called iterable and iterator, which do a lot of heavy lifting for you. And if you want to use this pattern, but it's also important to know how it works, because you might want to write your own custom iterators.